Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn on activity status on TikTok. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is open up TikTok, click on the inbox option at the bottom of the page, then you should see inbox at the top of the page. So all you want to do is tap on there, and this will just let you know your activity status is visible to friends. Show your friends, followers you follow back, that you're active now or recently active. You'll see each other's activity status only if both of you turn on this feature. When turned on, you'll be notified when your friends are online, and you'll see their statuses in your inbox. So if you're happy with all that, all you have to do is toggle it on at the bottom. You should see a little green symbol next to the inbox. So that's how you can turn on your activity status on TikTok. Thanks for watching.